stop. Before you spend money on expensive oils, you might want to see this. Start with a whole bulb of garlic and slice it into thin pieces, keeping the peel on. Then take an onion, slice it into rings, and keep its peel too. After that, grab some fresh ginger, peel it, and cut it into thin slices. Now put everything into a clean glass jar. Pour in extra virgin olive oil until all the ingredients are fully covered. Next, place the jar in a pot with water and gently heat it on low for about 20 to 30 minutes. This helps the oil slowly absorb all the natural compounds. Once it cools down, strain the oil and you'll get a rich golden mixture. People use this oil by gently massaging it onto areas like knees, shoulders, or back to help relax and soothe the body. It's a simple DIY idea that's getting a lot of attention. So what do you think? Smart home remedy or just hype? Rate this from 1 to 10.